Hello everyone, I am a registered dietitian and today we are going to talk about the not so sweet diabetes. And here the focus is going to be typically on type 2 diabetes. Diabetes क्यों होता why does the sugar go high? There is a hormone that is produced by your body जिसका नाम है insulin. Insulin is like a key. Insulin एक कुंजी के जैसा है that is going to open the door of the cell. जब इंसुलिन आपके सेल का डोर खुलता then the glucose gets inside the cell and that glucose gets converted to energy with which you will be functioning doing your daily physical activities. Okay, but then when the insulin is not working, even though it produced but not working upon opening the door, converting the glucose to energy, what happens is continuously in the blood the sugars start to build up. In the blood the sugars go high. Actually sugar ग्लूकोज को जाना चाहिए था सेल के अंदर और कन्वर्ट होना चाहिए था एनर्जी में so that it will help you to give that strength, that stamina to do your work. But यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, ग्लूकोज सेल में अंदर ही नहीं जा रहा but instead it's continuously building up inside the blood. All right, and that's the reason though diabetics are eating food but their food is not being converted to energy, and that's the reason they feel very tired, they feel lethargic, they feel weak. Okay, now controlling the blood sugar, keeping it in a good value is very important. Over a long period it can either cause tissue damage, blood vessel damage, or it can affect your organs like heart, brain, kidneys. There are various long term complications of diabetes. Let's not discuss them right now. Okay, now, as per the guidelines, how will you know that you are diabetic, type 2 diabetic? So there's a test called HbA1c. ये टेस्ट आपके पिछले 3 महीने के शुगर्स को बताता, like how your range has been. तो if it is greater than 6.5, या secondly अगर आप fasting sugar कभी कराए and you notice that continuously it's being greater than 126, या फिर OGTT टेस्ट बोलकर एक करवाते जिसमें you are being given the glucon D water, you drink it, and if the second hour is greater than 200, या फिर randomly whenever you check the random blood sugar, if that happens to be greater than 200 at any point, then yes, you are confirmed to be having diabetes. Now, okay, diabetes is there. Now what to do? Diet, nutrition intervention जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग बोलते हैं medical nutrition therapy, MNT. Nutrition intervention and lifestyle modification is a very important, what you can say is it plays a very important role in treating a diabetic. Okay, diet और lifestyle आपका जो है वो आपके sugars के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा impact करता. Okay, now honestly there is no magic diet for diabetes. Okay, it's not that I say this is the diet, you take it and you are going to have reversed that sugar. So it's not so. There's no magic diet because every person responds differently to the type of food we offer to them. Okay, for example, if I give pulkas to a person, he might have very good sugar control, and the same pulkas can actually increase the blood sugar in other person. So you have to work as per the body's design, as per how the insulin is working. One important thing that can actually help the diabetics is called as plate method. The diabetic plate method. Now you can imagine your plate. आपकी जो खाने की plate होती है, you can just imagine that. So divide it into half. This half, like ये पूरा हिस्सा is going to be basically non-starchy vegetables, like this is what is going to add fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, like you have carrots, you have tomatoes, cabbage, broccoli, green peas, lettuce, cucumbers. So this is like half part, and then the 1/4 part is going to be starchy products. That is going to be rice, that is going to be roti, that is going to be jowar, that is going to be potatoes, that is going to be breads, that is going to be pastas. Just the 1/4 part. The remaining 1/4 part is going to be protein: chicken, fish, egg, plant-based substitutes like soya, tofu, paneer. That is 1/4 part, and a glass of water or any low calorie drink. Okay, along with it goes little bit of good fat that can come from nuts like walnuts, almonds, that can come from seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or it can come from peanut butter, or it can come from yogurt. So this is the diabetic plate method. So if you can just check on uh, just typing diabetic plate, you'll have an idea as how the division of the plate goes. Okay. Second most important thing, please, this is really important. If you are towards overweight side, अगर आपका वजन ज़्यादा है, then try to lose at least 5 to 10% of your weight. जो आपका अभी current weight है, I'm not asking you to go to the ideal body weight, like आपका exactly weight क्या रहना चाहिए, not to that extent at least. But yes, studies show that if you're able to lose at least 10% of your total body weight, that will actually help to control your blood pressure, your cholesterol, as well as your blood sugars. Always try to maintain your weight, ideal body weight. If it is not possible, then please at least lose some weight, because you know the tummy fat जो होता है, the abdominal fat, it actually increases the risk of high sugars, because it is the area where the insulin is being made in your body. जब चर्बी ज़्यादा होती, जब fat ज़्यादा होता, insulin is still not able to work. Okay. And also, having a good diet and losing weight has got a profound impact upon your mood, on your energy levels, and as well as your well-being. All right. Now, if you're a diabetic, yes, you would want to have sweets. It's like common, right? Matlab, you are not a machine that I say, okay, don't touch sweet, and you're not going to touch it. We need to understand practically that yes, as any person, a diabetic would also love to enjoy a treat. You can have your treat, but moderation is the key. Portion sizing is the key, and always try to have your sweet with the meal, so that the different components of the meal like protein, fiber, fat doesn't allow the sudden spike in the blood sugars, rather than having it separately on its own. For example, आपको शीर खुरमा पीना है, okay, try to have a small bowl of sheer khurma along with your lunch. You can enjoy. Moderation is the key. बट अगर आप लंच करके 2 घंटे के बाद शीर खुरमा पीने वाले हैं, you will be so hungry that you will not be able to control on the portion size of the sheer khurma. You will be continuously having it. But when you have it with the meal, क्योंकि आपका पेट already भरा हुआ है, you would limit the intake of the sweet that you are having. Correct. So this is one thing. Now, few tips like lifestyle modification as well as nutrition intervention. Most important thing, please eat on time. Have fixed meal timings. Nashta 8 से 8:30, lunch 1 to 1:30, dinner 7:30 to 8. Please maintain these timings. You will notice that if you are going to maintain the timings, it will definitely help for a better blood sugar as well as weight control. Second, aim for consistent portion sizing. For example, आप नाश्ते में आदि है, you are eating 2 pulkas, maintain that portion sizing. Lunch में 1 to 1.5 cup, yes, maintain that portion sizing. Dinner में 2 to 3 pulkas, maintain that. What happens is, once your portion sizing is maintained or it is consistent, it will help to control your blood sugars very effectively. Rather than eating a very large meal at once, skipping the another meal, the entire metabolism in your body goes crazy. Okay. Third thing, please start your day with a good breakfast. Have breakfast on time. That is very important for you to prevent the unhealthy snacking in between. And good breakfast gives you good energy to last you for the day. Okay? Eat small and frequent meals. At least 3 large meals wherein you're taking breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and 3 small snacks. And when I say large meal, it doesn't mean that you're going to actually have a lot of quantity. It means slightly higher than snacks, what we have in between. So when you have the 6 small different meals, this helps to control your portion sizing. So continuously when you're being supplied with the fuel, with the energy, and your stomach is full, you don't actually start eating a lot. Okay? And try to keep the calorie intake the same each day. मतलब हर दिन एक proper routine follow कीजिए. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, in between snacks. Follow the routine, follow the discipline. Try to have some, like try to be organized with the diet. All right. And please get more active. Studies show that if you're able to do just 30 minutes at least split into three different sessions. Like I know that there are many older people also who go through diabetes, और एक साथ 30 मिनट चलना उनके लिए मुश्किल है. तो at least like split sessions of 10 minutes, or some light activity, just a cycling है, which slightly increases your heart rate, that makes you, sweat a little, actually helps you a lot to control your sugars. And please keep an eye on the packaged food, processed foods, मैदे के चीज़ें हैं, जो भी चीज़ें पैकेजेस में आते हैं ना, पैकेट्स में आते हैं, जैसे कि आपके नूडल्स है, मैगी है, बिस्किट्स है, ब्रेड्स है, बंस है, these are all processed items. इसमें preservatives रहते हैं, canned foods है, please try to avoid that. And diabetics are also more prone towards having elevated blood pressure, so keep a check on the salt content that you're using. That should be less than 5 grams per day. Also depends upon your blood pressure as how it is going. Try to go for double fortified salt, जिसमें iron or iodine दोनों होते हैं. And manage your stress, anxiety creates that hormones inside your body that actually increases your blood sugars. So try to do some meditation, be at peace, and yeah, you can have a normal life still with diabetes. Thank you.